Hey guys, Hagai here. So welcome to another episode of Design with Hagai. So for today we'll be learning how to make a very simple social media design. So something like this. Good. So we'll learn how to make this. So for a start, you need your images which will be sent to you. So all images, like the image for the Fanta, the apples and everything will be sent to you. So we'll begin with our manipulations now. The first thing we would have to work on is our background. So change the color of our background to something like FD8B2B. Good. FD8B2B, and we are good. So the second thing is we'd search for spray on our elements. Spray. So when you search for spray, you see something like this. So you can pick either this or this, but this is what I pick. So increase it a little, duplicate it, make it a little bigger, make this a little bigger. Then covers the whole base, and then we change the color to something like F7 6 F3 6. Good. So we change all on the base. I see change all, so everything is changed. So what we'll do is we change the transparency of our base to 60, both of them to 60. Good. So that's sufficient for now. Next thing is we'll have to start inputting our images. So you go to your gallery of the already removed background. So you pick this one, you put here. Good. And so duplicate, send this one to the back, position, backward, duplicate, position, backward, to front, backward. Good. So it will be like this. Good. The next thing we'll do is we'll duplicate this guy, turn him around. Good. Bring him a little lower here. Then call it, search for our effects. You go to duotone. This dusk. On dusk, we click on dusk. And then we change the transparency. To, we change the transparency to 12. So 12 is sufficient. So now we duplicate it, keep here, duplicate, and oh sorry, and keep here. Oh, come on. Okay. So we'll send this one backward, and I'll send this one backward. So good. We'll have our 3 images here. Position. Okay, good. This one is good. So next thing to do is to bring our oranges. Oranges. Now already, if you're not using the pro version of this Canva, you would have to go to remove BGR as wavelength and remove these images, the background of the images. But for Canva Pro users, you can just click on BG remover. And that's all. Good. So you can make it here. You can duplicate. Keep one here and one in the center. Okay, so for emphasis, I can make this one. I can go to flip, change it to horizontal flip. Then for this guy, I just leave it the way it is. Good. And maybe I can leave this one here a little. The idea is that the base of the drinks do not show. Yeah. So I can go to effects. On effects, I go to shadows. Yeah, shadows. Shadows. I go to page lifts. And I make the transparency to be 30.
Okay.
Good. So, then, so I can just do this one for both of them. So I'll just duplicate this. Duplicate this one. And then flip this guy to horizontal so it faces the other way. Good. Then what else? So next thing to do is I duplicate this one, turn it here, increase the size a little, then I go to effect. So we can just change the transparency to something like 25. Good. So increase it a little. So it's just small FANTA. So I'll duplicate this one. I'll turn it around to face here. Position. Okay, I think this is good. So this is good enough. Yes. Here. Good. Now next thing we do is we search for leaves in element. You can just search for leaves. And it can be free to use anyone you like though. But I like this guy. Yeah, this is what yeah, good. So turn it around a little. You just send it here. Send it here. You go to filter. On filter, I like the blues. And then I reduce this to 20. Well, let's say 15. 15 is good enough. Good. So I leave it this way. Well, let's reduce the transparency a little bit. Okay, good. 90. That's good enough. Next will be to add, let's say, an orange picture to the right. So let's say this guy. Let's use one of these ones. Duplicate, send them here, turn it around, and take it so that it's just this guy that is being displayed. So next I will go to element. I'll search for juice splash. But then you can also go to Google and get this juice splash, yeah, so that you get like the one you want, like an accurate way of getting the juice splash. So there are many ones here. Most of them are the pro version. So for ideal creation, please go to Google and get a proper juice splash if you're not using the pro version. But if you're using the free, well, then I also have to share the pro version. So see this, let me use this. So I take all of the copy away and do something like this. Good. I zoom in, turn it, make it look like it is coming from the orange. You get. So when it's here, so now I can duplicate, do the same thing over here. Then I duplicate, make it really big, and to back. Good. And and duplicate, position to back, then I turn it this way, and that's about it. Good. Now we add our text, so we just go to text, add the heading, so you can just change this to orange, duplicate, edit, changes to drink, all capitals. So the color of our orange, let's reduce the font a little, and our drink also a little. So position for both of them will be center, and the drink also center. So I nudge a little higher. Good. So our orange is still a little big, so let me just change it to, let's say, 40. No, 45 looks better. It would be better. Good. So the font for our orange, the color for our orange, let's use something like 2D 5543. Good. That's what we're going. And then for our drink, let's try something white, or let's say FFFAC. Good. It's close to white. So orange drink. So duplicate. You can just come here, change it to your name. Actor. Good. So font, you can change your font to, I like glacial indifference. You can scroll down, look for glacial indifference. So the color, would use this for I think. So position for it, center. Good. So that's about it. See you in the next video. So you can save it, download here,